Sinimu, wapoya mantemu, womani nye mampeni, adodan kwa kufuado, nenye bebi a woye ehunfi se ben fie sunye, ene wobeshe wormo ebose wobeye wowa kwande ama womo fie sumu ni wei, enya de sasa boshe no mampeni etumi ediso, nti kontihine ya wowo mpotemu ho chiremu a womo akrata mampeni echi, ewo sana ni so ade hunu nenso ene wode wonsesi fom, emu nsam to aso Adom TV edeba.
Enim Boso ewo Asojaman district. Ukopimo ewo hwa. Omanfo a womo etiti krom ho no. Womo ye kuafo ene edwedifo. Omanfo yi ekyerese. Ekwan ye free oseben ede komantem ahodo ewo ho no. Ekwan na atete apansam a emmoa ema edwedie ene kuadwuma enkoso ewo mpatemo. Assemblyman owo Kechie electoral area. Afunya Isaac ene Adom News Centralfo etwetwe ho nkomo no. Sei no kye ne nsem nim.
If you look at the state of the road concerning security is very bad, because you can notice that you get to some of the areas, there are, I don't know whether I will call it gutters, because of the rain. Erosion has taken part and it has become like a gutter. When it happens that way, the cars are not able to move very faster. And because of that, armed robbers can even be on the road to attack people. So concerning security-wise, in fact, it is really affecting the people in this area. Because if somebody wants to attack you on the road, there is nothing for you to do.
Kwabena Aburam, eye mebunu a wo Boso, wode to Adom News Centralfo nim se, enkrata hodo a womo atro, ede akoma mpanifo se womo hwe na omonya kwan no. Ankosiaga, kontinye wo Boso Amankrado Traditional Area. Enso ede nsem bi eto Adom News Centralfo efa kwan a atete apansam no.
We direct from road and highways. I'm far this assembly. I'm far you say na I come on for some person me kwan na omo dey America dey nini. If you do baby, kwan na to some kwai hu. Say o how ya work Kasee ye kwan. O do ka ba na kope o go maintenance. It's Ghana bank. Yes, there were more Musamubi from Mage, no more was for mine. And you was on when I say from Atiboki. My father says, Yama say, oh, Yakwa Bianua, a quite big quite maybe I say, eh, Cocotepe, Belle Copper, let's hear Furby, Cocotepe anyway. I think for you are some mammy. Jakiti Ajina, 8 emeralds. Yakwa ina